Hey you guys, Nell here today and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be very exciting because we have a video sponsored by Crochet Braids Plus. As you guys can see, I'm doing another install and I'm just showing you guys some of the different things that I got in this kit. You guys know the drill. I absolutely love this company. I have been using their hair for almost about a year now, and every single time when I wear their hair, it just gets better and better. I get lots of compliments. People think this is my hair. So yes, I am definitely a long-term customer. But yes, this video is really special because they actually decided to work with me in the channel, and I'm just showing you guys exactly how the hair looks. If you guys are wondering, I got the Ombré Melanin hair. This one is $179, but if you look on the website, you can definitely find a coupon code. It does come with five bundles in each kit. They come with 54 twists per bundles, coming in at 12 inches. And at this point, you guys are seeing me just cutting the hair so that it frames my face and I can put some layers into it so that it has more of a realistic look to it. So the one thing that I love about this hair is that it's really easy to install. Like, as long as you know how to braid, you're fine. Just do some straight backs, put some layers into it, and you're good to go. And I love this hair because it's very versatile. One of the things that I really love about this hair is the fact that it is water friendly. So if you decide that, you know, it's time for a vacation, I gotta go, which is exactly what I did, you can get away with this hair on whatever type of tropical journey, even if it's a cold climate. This hair is amazing, and you guys will see soon. I literally took this hair all over Puerto Rico, and this is me in the Bacardi factory. And I love just having that ease of just waking up and just throwing my hair in whatever style I want to, jumping into that little jacuzzi in my rooftop. Y'all, I had the time of my life, okay? I even brought this hair into the rainforest. You guys want to know, is this hair, you know, travel friendly? Can I get it wet? Do you see me splashing, jumping off cliffs into bodies of water? Yes, you absolutely can. And this is what it looks like when I got back to New York. The only thing that really was a little crazy was the front, because obviously new growth. And I do want to let you guys know I did wear this hair for about 4 weeks. So that's like basically, you know, a month. And that's what it looks like after I refreshed it. If you guys want to see a video on that, let me know. But yes, after looking crazy coming back from Puerto Rico, that is me refreshing it. So y'all know the drill. I love Crochet Braids Plus. It's still worth it. You can reuse the hair. You can get it wet. Like, it's so versatile. It looks very realistic. They will always have my love. So if you guys have any other questions, please let me know. Thank you to Crochet Braids Plus for sponsoring this video. And of course, I will see you guys in the next one.